Koli, Taal, chicken curry. Okay. This is a movie which is taking part in the Bucharest comedy, best comedy film festival, or something like that. And thus we had it on television. They have the festival, and then they also broadcast some of those, or all of those movies on TV. This is coming from India, and rural. We see the life in rural India. Well, as we all know, it's such an immense country, largest population in the world. So we have this tiny slice. That's not like that's all of it. You see, we have a glimpse, but interesting. This older couple is waiting for their grandson, and in expectation they will offer him a special dinner, chicken curry, what is it, Koli Taal. So they select a rooster, who's poor fellow about to die, put him under sort of a basket, and when the moment will come, he will be sacrificed. If he's still there, that is, because he's not, it goes missing. And that's very bad. But they're, I wouldn't say, well, surely not that poor. In fact, I hesitate in saying they're poor, because in fact they have a few workers coming to do some job, which doesn't mean that the factory owners, they're not the billionaires of India. There are a few with Taal family, which owns Range Rover, by the way, one of the best brands of the auto business, the car. I've always wanted to have. Not yet, probably not ever. They're more expensive, so outside there's a anyway, grandfather is going to see the mind reader, the fortune teller, local man who is throwing something like small stones, beans on the table, and looking at them, he tells you what's what. So, about the missing chicken, and he says it's somebody you know very well who took it, and he's still alive. You can still find it. He pays, and he starts a sort of a private investigation, asking around. So when the workers come in the morning, starts interrogation. But because he has an inside, well, he has information now from the fortune teller, he is prepared. He has an ace up his sleeve, in that he took a coconut and he made the two workers swear on the coconut that they had nothing to do with the stealing of the rooster, because the coconut is something special. In the Hindu religion, there are more than 1,000 gods, so there's one associated with it, and you can't lie and touch the coconut. That's the Bible. It's the basis. I'm thinking now of Harari, Yuval Harari. Stupendous works I've read a few weeks ago. Sapiens, a Hidden History, Brief History of Humankind, fantastic work. One of the best luminaries, greatest luminaries of the present, and well, maybe of wartime. And now I'm reading through Homo Deus, and he mentions the fact that we have these understandings. We have an understanding of respecting some rules and accepting, for instance, the idea of money. Paper on which money is printed, money per se, are without any value. But we agree that $5 means you can buy some drinks with it, you can buy some biscuits, and with $100 more. And that's, otherwise, if we wouldn't share in this, into this myth, that would be valueless. And the Bible is agreed to be so important in many parts of the world. So much so that presidents swear on the Bible in court. Now, in this village, it's the cocoa. Other places, Scientology, what would that be? They swear on Tom Cruise. I'm just being facetious. Now they also have Modi as a new guy. I mean, what the fuck up this man is. What a pity. Anyway, from Gandhi to this fellow. Well, Gandhi was not perfect, that's also true. I was reading The Economist, his attitude on trades. The good travel slow, thus forget about trades or something. It wasn't. And surely he had so many. I think I've also read about some of his intimacy with these, so weird. But otherwise, great in so many aspects. One of the great ones. And maybe our grandpa finds the truth about his missing chicken for the chicken curry.